How to fix Siri location issues. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing Siri location issues, such as whenever you are trying to find out what's the location or what's the weather in your location in your area, and Siri cannot talk about it or just can't give you answer. So in that case, what you might want to do is just head over to your device's settings, and once you're inside here, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is privacy and security. Now select it, and once you're inside here, just tap on the first option that is location services, and make sure you have enabled this. If it's disabled, you can just tap on this slider button over here and just click on disable and just click on enable, just like this. And once you do of that, and once you make sure of that, just head over to or simply scroll down and click on this Siri option. As you can see, currently it's on when shared. So if it's selected on never or on the second option, just choose on this third option, that is while using the app. So it lets the Siri use or know your location while you are using the Siri application itself. So from now, you will no longer be facing any sort of issue whenever you are asking about location for on Siri from the next time. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.